Hello everybody, I'm Asaduzaman Biswas. Today I came to discuss something about your JavaScript. Today I'd like to discuss about this topic. One is your type of operator and another one is your instance of. Right. I like to discuss about these two operators. Basically, type 2 operators is used to return the type of data, and instance of operator is used to check the object, right? Basically, these are the main functions of these two operators. And instance of operator returns true or false if that object belongs to that class which you are checking. In that case, this will return true, otherwise it will return false. And type of operator will return the type of the data, right? These are the functions of these two operators. So let us do it with example. Okay, so script language in JavaScript, and this is the end of script. So let us take a variable. Suppose this is the variable, and inside the variable we write down 10, right? Now what we need to do now, here suppose we are taking another variable, that is your b, and in this variable we will return whatever is returned by this operator typeof. So let us write down typeof what? Typeof a, right? So now if I like to say what is inside this a, what we will do, we will write down lrp, right? Now let us check the output. What output we are getting? Look, we are getting number. So obviously this is number because inside a there is 10 and 10 is number. Now if we change it, suppose instead of 10 we write here something else. What should we write? We can write we are learning or something like this. We are learning. Look, now a is containing a string, right? So if I check the output, then look, we are getting what? We are getting a string, right? Okay, fine. Now if I change it, suppose if I write here true, that means inside a there is true. Now I am checking the data type of the value of a. Then let us see what we are getting. This is boolean. Obviously this is boolean because a is containing true and true is boolean, and that's the thing you are checking using typeof, right? So typeof check the content of a and it returns boolean, and because this a is containing true, true is boolean, right? Now this is all about your typeof. Now let us learn about instance of. So what I will do now, can take another variable. Suppose inside variable we will make an object, and suppose we are making an object of a string, right? Great. Now we are making another object. Suppose this is object of date class. Great. Now we are checking this instance operator will return us true or false, right? So what we are checking? We are checking C using this operator. Instance of this operator will check this C object belongs to string class or not. If it belongs to string class, then it will return true, right? So in that case, let us write down something in a line. we should write something here. Yes, it is object of string, right? So if C is object of a string class, so obviously this operator will return us true, and in this case we should get this message inside on our alert box, right? We can also write down here else, in case if the object C doesn't belong to the class written here we wrote string. Instead of that, if we write something else which is not true, in that case obviously whatever you will write inside else will be executed. So let us write something inside else. No, here you can write no, it is not object of string. Now if we go to output, we should get this, because C is the object of a string class, because here we made the object of a string and that object is inside C. That means C is containing the object of a string class. That's why this condition should be true and we should get this output, right? So let us omit this alert and go to output. We will save it. Okay, great. So, yes, it is object of a string. Now if we, instead of a string, if we write here date, and then go to our output and check it, look, no, it is not object of a string, obviously, because C is not object of date class. D is the object of date class. So obviously this instance of operator here will return true, and that's why we're getting the message of the alert box inside else, right? So today, after this, I discussed today about type of an instance of operator. If you have any question or anything to know more, feel free to contact me through comments. You can comment me and subscribe my channel to know more about your JavaScript and other languages, frameworks, CMS. Those are used in recent markets for developing websites. So for today, goodbye everybody. We'll come again with my next tutorial to give you more ideas about JavaScript. So for today, goodbye.